wanna know what my video's called?
How to make me annoyed because you keep making loud noises while I'm trying to record?
Essentially, but that's a stupid way to put it. I was just gonna say loud noises to annoy Zane.
Loud noises to annoy Zane. Yeah. Alright, that sounds good to me.
Mine's much more simple.
Oh, is it?
And less retarded. Stupid people.
It's early in the morning. We're having a hard time here.
Got it.
God, nailed it.
Nailed it.
Nailed it.
Hey, where's my treasure?
I don't know. Yeah, good enough. Alright. Oh, loud. I should not be quiet.
No, I don't want to hear
What?
your voice.
Oh, that is rude.
That was rude. You know what I heard yesterday?
What? Oh yeah, you hear that? Yeah, I'm gonna have to take that off. Dang it. Dang nabbit.
How would you break?
I mean, I didn't break nothing.
Can't say that.
I know, I caught myself. You can't say that. Ow. A little too big. Oh, too big. Oh, too big. Oh, big guy. You calm down over there. Same thing over here. Take out these upper controls. Get them out of the way. Oh. What are you saying over there? You having fun? Yeah? Alright. Get that nice and up and out of the way there. Make a mess while we do it. Yeah. There we go. Oh yeah, there we go. So today we're going to be destroying stuff that was once perfectly usable.
Mine? I don't know about that one.
Yeah. I mean, it's still usable, but not perfect.
Still don't know about that one.
Oh, okay. It was moving. It moved.
It didn't stop very well.
That is true. It did not stop very well. Oh. I think we're stuck on that little guy right there. Yeah, I got one side out. Now I gotta get the other side. Oh, it's all the way out. That is satisfying. Boom. I mean, who doesn't like cutting things? Just because you're mad. Because you gotta sit over there and unbolt everything. Look at that toe.
It's doing the Chevy, dude.
It's doing the Chevy?
Yeah.
I don't know if I like it that much. Chevy guys. Gotta unbolt the shock absorber here. We should be out. Alright, got it battered. Back in business. Shock's out. Whole front end's out. I feel accomplished right now. Yeah. Bobby, BB. Hey. Hey. There we go. Anyone want IFS for two-wheel drive? Alright. Now we're just going to do all the wiring cleanup. Get it all pretty for the new motor. Get it all purdied up. Yeah, there we go.
Want a grill?
Do I want a grill?
I think this looks cool on here.
Yeah.
Dude, it's an extra grill.
Just put it like that and boom.
Yeah, dude.
I think we're ready.
I think I like it.
Me too.
Actually, take your bumper off, flip it upside down.
Ooh. So you're talking like...
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I'm good. There we go. You guys probably can't see what I'm doing right now, can you? There we go. Take the steering box out. Let's take the bottom brace off. All the room. There's a lot of cleaning up to do. Just a lot of cleanup. I was today years old when I found out how to actually undo the clip without breaking them. Dude, this power steering line is so dumb. Screw you, Toyota. Is it really? There we go. Hey, I know everything else is short. Of course there is. Oh, there we go. Oh, put the grill back together. Well done. Bada bang, bada boom. There we go. There we go. Okay, we're free. All right, guys, we're just gonna go ahead and end the video there. After that, it was just a lot of wiring cleanup, and I mean, honestly, it was pretty boring, so I just cut that stuff out. But we got the truck sitting at what I want to be ride height when we're all said and done. We'll see how well that actually pans out. But the engine bay is pretty clean now. Just got a lot of grinding to do. Honestly, I might not record it because, again, that'd be pretty boring for you guys to watch. But stay tuned for next week, because hopefully I get the rear axle in, the cross member in, and the motor in. It's gonna be a good day, good weekend. Stay tuned. Hopefully you like, subscribe, and have a good day.